Hello everyone, this is Arthur again. Today we're going to take a look at this absolutely gorgeous 2012 Rolls-Royce Ghost. It has 82,000 miles. It was recently purchased by the current owner and it needed few things addressed. So it's been here with me for last about 5 days and we went over it and corrected a few of the issues. The main issue was a major oil leak from the upper oil pan gasket, which was repaired. I did a description video about that job and I'll link the video below if you would like to see it. So that was done, and other than that it needed new front wheel hubs, grill fixed, and a few other small things. So this car is white. It has black interior. Actually, this car is silver, but it is wrapped in white. I'm not sure why they wrapped it. I'm guessing they didn't like the silver color. I'm not a big fan of wraps, but I guess if it is what it is. As far as wraps go, this is probably one of the better ones I've seen. And from a little distance, it actually looks like paint. It's a very nice glossy finish. There are a couple of little imperfections here and there, but overall it actually looks very nice. The wheels are 22-inch avant-garde Rolls-Royce specific wheels made for Rolls-Royce that takes the center caps of the original wheels. They're floating and I think they look really nice. They're staggered with really wide 265 front and 315 tires in the rear. I really like this car. I think it's a fantastic car. First of all, it drives really good. The big V12 gives it a nice power and it's super smooth, and it's actually very quiet. I'm not surprised how quiet it is, but I'm amazed at how quiet it is inside when you're driving. And the other thing, of course, is the styling. I think it just doesn't get any much better than Rolls-Royce styling. It's massive. The doors are amazing. Interior is amazing. Let me move this out. This one has black interior. It has no sunroof. It's actually a base model basically of Ghost, if that exists. It doesn't really have too many options, I don't believe, but even base model of Ghost is very impressive. It does have power seats in the back, it does have the power doors in the rear, it does have screens, and it's very comfortable. This is the short wheelbase model, and it's just on another level. You can see there's a lot of BMW parts mechanically, but as far as interior and exterior go, there's pretty much nothing other than the iDrive screen that shows you that it's a BMW related product. It's just very bespoke and unique. I love it. It's a gorgeous car. Definitely will want to get one at some point. There's soft closed doors, of course. Take a look at the trunk. It's massive and it has very beautiful lining inside. We're gonna take a look at under the hood and then lift it up and take a look at it from the bottom. Let's take a look at the under the hood. See the Spirit of Ecstasy raised. This one has the N74 BMW V12 twin turbo, 6.6 liter, 563 horsepower. It is very similar to the one in the 760 Li engine, except it has a larger displacement. I'm not sure if there is any other parts that are different. There probably are, but most things are actually interchangeable, which is good news, because you can get parts from BMW and they're significantly cheaper than getting them from the Rolls-Royce. Okay, let's lift it up and take a look at it from the bottom. Okay, let's take a look at the bottom of this Ghost. Let's go start from the back. You can see the massive exhaust. Let's have some valving on it. Pipes are huge. Differential with some cooling fins on it. All the bottom of this car was covered with oil. Tried to clean up as much as possible because of the oil leak. These are control arms. They're shared with the BMW, looks like, because there's BMW logos on it. Tank also says BMW on it. One thing that I noticed that is not BMW are the front knuckles on the front suspension, but they did have hub bearings that were actually from BMW, which is good. You can see the front suspension, typical BMW style covers. They were soaked in oil, and this rear cover was damaged, so I had to cut off a piece of it, so we're gonna have to find a new one to put it on. Not much to see, but here's just to give you an idea what the bottom looks like of the Ghost. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe. More videos are gonna come soon.